All right, good morning, friends. Okay, so today you guys have a video to watch about perimeter, and then you guys have this awesome worksheet, okay? But it's a little bit harder than yesterday, so I wanted to go over it just for a quick second. So, yesterday you worked on this page, and you were counting the outsides, okay? And this actually, friends, I think is harder because of these tricky sides. Now today, the same rules apply. We are counting up the outside. Oh, it's kind of blurry. There you go. So we're counting up the outside, and this side is 8. They already told us. This side is 4. This side is 8. This side is 4. So what is the perimeter, or the length of the outside of this rectangle? Okay, so we have to figure it out. How can I figure out how much that is all together, or in all, or total? All of those keywords tell me I have to add. So I'm going to add 8 plus 4 plus 8 plus 4. Some of you 5th graders might be able to see some of these connections. That 4 plus 4 equals 8, and 8 times 1, 2, 3 is our answer. Okay, so first I'm going to take 8, and I'm gonna go ahead and what I'm going to do today here. Let me do this big so you guys can see what I'm going to do for this first one, and you guys are going to go on your own because this is a pretty easy worksheet when you're adding. I'm going to add in all of my touch points real quick because I remember that really helps me when I'm counting up in addition. So for some of you, that this really works for. Shiloh, Ruby, Jonah, who else really loves this? Brian, you guys really like doing the touch points, so it's a good place to start. So we start with 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So the perimeter of this rectangle is 24 meters. Now on your worksheet on the computer, I've already plugged in all of these for you. This is meters, centimeters, millimeters. We didn't really talk about that this year when we did measurement, so don't worry, they're just different kinds of things like centimeters and inches and feet. They're just different types of measurement, okay? So part B, or problem B, I'll do this real quick with you. We have this triangle, this isosceles triangle, because it has two sides that are the same length and one side that is shorter. We're going to add up. Remember, perimeter means plus. Every one of these is going to be a plus problem. 7 plus 7 plus 5. 7 plus 7 plus 5. I'm going to add in my touch points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, for those of you that love touch points, count up with me. We start at the big number 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 centimeters is our second answer. Okay, so you have that page today to do in your Google Classroom. Okay, 5th graders, some of you asked for a challenge. Actually, I'll just call you out. Miguel was a rock star yesterday. Gio was a rock star yesterday, and they finished their work super fast, and they said, can we have a challenge tomorrow? So there are 2 pages in your Google Classroom. There's this one. This one you have to do. The second one has big numbers. Okay, I can't show it to you. I did not print it, but you are going to have some bigger numbers. That one you do not have to do, especially if you're a 3rd or 4th grader. 5th graders, take a challenge or check in with your teacher in Zoom if you have any questions. Have a great day, friends.